Most people think you need a lot of money to start investing. That's wrong. I know people making $30,000 a year and are building wealth right now. And I know people making $200,000 a year and beyond and are completely broke. It's what nobody ever taught you. I came from a humble beginning and figured it out. I'll show you how to do the same today in this video. Here's what gets me. We sit in school for 12 years. We learn about the American Civil War. We learn algebra. We learn how photosynthesis works. Nobody, not once, sits a kid down and says, here's how compound interest works. Here is how you turn $50 a month into something that actually matters by the time you're 40. Nobody teaches that. So what happens? Most people spend their entire 20s thinking investing is only for rich people, for Wall Street guys, for people who've already figured it out. They wait. They say, I'll start when I make more money. I'll start when I'm more stable. I'll start when I know what I'm doing. And they never start. The average person in America starts seriously thinking about investing around age 35. That is 15 years of compound interest they left on the table. 15 years of money working for them that they gave away because nobody taught them the basics. That ends today. I want to be real with you about something. The real reason most people never started investing has nothing to do with money. It's fear. It's confusion. You open a brokerage app and it hits you with stocks, ETFs, index funds, mutual funds, options, bonds, dividends, Roth IRA, 401k, and you close the app because nobody explained any of that to you, and it looks like a foreign language, and that's by design. The financial industry is complicated on purpose. When you are confused, you do nothing, which works for the banks instead of you, or you pay someone else to manage it, which means fees every year, eating into your returns. Here's the thing about wealthy people. They don't see money as something complicated. They see it as a tool, and they learn early how to use the tool. Poor people and middle-class people, we feel like money is always out of reach, like investing is for later, because we pay for everything with money we've already exchanged our time for. You trade 40 hours a week for a paycheck. The paycheck pays bills, nothing left to grow. Wealthy people set it up so money works while they sleep. Here's the thing no one tells you. You can start doing that today with less money than you think. Let me break this down simple and plain. Investing is putting money somewhere that grows on its own over time. That's it. That is the whole thing. The question becomes, where do you put it? Goal. Option 1, leave it in a savings account, and the bank will give you maybe 0.5 interest a year. So on $1,000, that's $5. Goal. Option 2, you put it in the stock market through something called index funds. Historically, the S&P 500, which is basically the 500 largest companies in America, has returned an average of 10% a year over the last 50 years. So on the same $1,000, that's $100 the first year. So that's $1,100. Then the next year, $1,210. Then $1,331. My friends, that's compound interest. And that's the single most powerful wealth building tool ever created. Robert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. He said, he who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Think about that sentence. So, right now, if you're carrying a credit card debt, compound interest is working against you at 24%. If you're investing in index funds, compound interest is working for you at 10%. The poor and the middle class pays it. The wealthy earns it. Which side of the equation are you on right now? Quick example. You start investing $200 a month at age 25. You earn the historical average of 10% a year. By 65, you have a cool $1.1 million from $200 a month. Wait until you're 35 to start, the same $200 a month, you end up with $450,000. That 10-year delay cost you $750,000. That's the waiting cost. That's what I'll start later actually means. If this is making sense and you want a full step-by-step written out, I put together a free debt elimination and wealth blueprint. It walks you through exactly where to start, what accounts to open, and how to set up your first investment. Not a course, not a pitch, just a plan. Grab it after this video. Now, let's get into exactly how to do this. I call this the metabolic method because just like your body has a metabolism that converts food into energy, this is about converting the money you already have into wealth you can actually see. Here's the step-by-step. Step 1, handle the foundation first. Before you invest $1, you need an emergency fund. Ideally, 3 months of expenses. Why? Because life happens. And if your car breaks down and you have no cushion, you'll pull from your investment at the worst possible time. Or you'll put it on a credit card at 24% interest. And that wipes out every gain you've made. So, foundation first, always. Step 2, get rid of high interest debt. Any debt above 8% interest, pay that off before you invest. Because a credit card at 24% APR, it's a guaranteed 24% loss every year. Your investment reliably beats debt. Clear the high interest debt, then invest. Step 3, open the right account. 2 options for most people starting out. If your job offers 401k with employer matching, start there because that's free money. And if your employer matches 3% and you don't contribute 3%, you're leaving part of your salary on the table. If there's no 401k match, open a Roth IRA. You can open one in 15 minutes on platforms like Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. 0 cost. You contribute after tax money and your money grows completely tax-free. So when you withdraw it in retirement, you pay 0 taxes. 0. Step 4. One simple thing. When you're starting out, you don't need to pick stocks. You don't need to research companies. Buy a total market index fund or S&P 500 index fund. That's it. One fund, diversified across hundreds of companies. It has low fees and a historical return around 10% annually. You're not trying to beat the market. You're trying to own a piece of the market. Go. Step 5, and my favorite step, automate everything. Set up an automatic transfer. Every payday, a set amount goes directly into your investment account. You don't see it, you don't touch it. You don't even think about it. Start with whatever you can, $50, $100. The amount doesn't matter as much as the habit. You can always increase the amount because here's the truth about investing. Consistency beats brilliance every time. The person who invests $100 a month for 30 years beats the person who tries to time the market, jumps in and out, and chases hot stocks 9 times out of 10. Now, here's where I want to take it one step deeper, because everything I just taught you is the how. Most people already know some version of how to invest. They've heard of index funds. They know about 401k. They still don't do it. Why? Because the real barrier to investing isn't information, it's identity. Most people deep down don't see themselves as investors. They see themselves as workers, earners, people who trade their time for money. But the wealthiest people that I've talked to, ones who've changed their financial lives, made a decision at some point that they were done being the person who just trades their time for money. They decided that they're going to become the person whose money works. So, build a foundation, emergency fund, no high interest debt, and automate investing month after month and year after year. And what that does to your confidence, watching that number grow, it changes something in you. You start feeling like money is always running out. You start feeling like you're building something. That's the shift. And you can make it starting today with whatever you got. So here's the action plan starting tonight. 1. Open a free account at Schwab, Vanguard, or Fidelity. Only takes about 15 minutes. You will need your social security number and a bank account. That's it. 2. Set up a Roth IRA if you don't have a matching 401k with your employer. If you do, increase your contribution to at least get the full match. 3. Buy at least one index fund, the S&P 500 or the total market fund. Set it up and leave it. 4. Automate the transfer. Even if it's just $25 or $50 per payday. Build the habit first and scale later. 5. Grab my free wealth blueprint in the description. It has the full breakdown, the account setup steps. Everything's written out. Join the Metabolic Millionaire community. You need people around you who are on the same mission, because your circle matters more than your income. The school system failed you, and the financial system bet on you staying confused. Now you know what to do. The wealthy earn compound interest. The middle class pays it. And today, you choose what side you are on. I'll see you in the community.